So hey, this is Dave again. I had ear surgery 2 days ago. I can't really drive anywhere, can't use any heavy machinery. Ain't really supposed to have this shirt because it went over my ear. So I was looking for stuff to do, and I had this drop spindle plan for years ago, how to actually make yarn. So what this is a drop spindle, and it's pretty easy to make, but you can buy them on Amazon for $10 or so. It's just a dowel with a rounded edge, and then a wheel, and then just a little brass hook on here. And what you do is you take wool. This is wool roving. You can buy it on Amazon, a pack for like $3, but it's just wool that has been brushed out so all the fibers align. And you just take a piece off, right? And you would tie this to your spindle and then wrap it. I've already got a piece here where I have been doing this. Okay. And just sort of put that together. Okay. This isn't something I've just started doing this. This isn't something that I've got any experience in. But you're twisting it up and you're holding it so that it doesn't come unloose, and then you're backing it off and letting the twist carry up the string. Look at there. And I still have to work on it. See how I've got it all kind of thicker where the two meet? Then when you get some, you just wrap it around your spindle there and just keep going. My spicing's not that good, but the yarn's not coming out that bad, especially when I don't have very much involved in it. What I'm going to end up doing is make me a bigger loom. I made a smaller loom out of popsicle sticks for my kids' book, but we're going to make a bigger one, like a picture frame loom, and try to weave this. Additionally, we've been experimenting with brushing the dog and getting what's called chingora, which is dog wool, which sounds a little weird, but it's supposedly 80% warmer than regular wool. I don't know if that's true or not, but our dog is shedding all over the place. So I figure rather than throw the stuff away, let's at least try felting with it. Felting or making yarn or weaving or just seeing what we can do with it. And I know, compared to people who do this, I'm doing this probably completely wrong. But as an experiment, just something to do while I'm sitting here with pain meds and can't do anything for real. This ain't too terribly of a bad little experiment.